Okay, I will take you on a little tour to the rooster. Nobody can come inside, only the pilot. We're now inside of the balloon, and as you can see here, there's the head. The head part is full of wires and full of holes where the wind can come through, so it will fill up. Here you got the nose. That's the nose up here. Here are the eyes, like that. And this is the head. Here's the comb. One of the combs up here. Another one there. Look at that. That's great, huh? So as you can see, there are a lot of wires up here. Here we can check if the balloon wasn't that hot enough. There's a streamer. This will melt if the balloon gets too hot and will give a sign to the pilot so he knows he has to land or has to cool down in his balloon. So we're heading up now to the tail. The tail is also full of holes. That's also to spread the whole wind inside of the balloon so it will fill up nicely. This is one of the rib panels. It's tied down so it's secured. And this is all Velcro, so it will open up. Look at this. We go into the back of the balloon. And this is his tail. This is his tail where you can look up. And you see the balloon again. And this is the whole back part. This is really the last part of the rooster balloon. Nobody has been here, but you have now. So that's very nice. And we go through this hole, and again, into the side of the balloon. So, here you see the balloon at the bottom. That's the mouth. It looks up there. Okay, thanks for joining me here inside of the rooster balloon at the Albuquerque Balloon Fiesta 2010. Hope you enjoy and see you soon.